Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer all data from old to the new phone on the Android operating system. So if you have a new Android phone, you just bought from the store and want to transfer the data from your old phone, it's very easy. Just try to install this smart switch. You can get from the Play Store, but be careful. Turn off the data first because there is a lot of ads in this app, and then tap start button. And while using this app, make sure while using this app, so you can use this file transfer or phone the clone completely. This file transfer into the new phone or old phone is up to you. It's the same. And please select the Wi-Fi connection. Just if you turn this on, there is a lot of ads, but I want to guide you. So after that, try to search your new phone in here, or you can, this for example, my laptop is connect with the same Wi-Fi. So after that, you can share your file, I mean all your file from your old phone to the new one. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.